Hello, welcome to another edition of our toy review. This time we are featuring Gundam Die Casting Creative Series RX78-2 version. Okay, what we're seeing here is the packaging of the product. This item came from Japan. It was sent to me by a close friend of mine who is currently based there. Judging on the packaging itself, this product is quite cool. Medyo may kamahalan lang yata to sa Japan kasi according to her, yung may bigay sa akin nito, if you're going to convert this into Philippine peso, that would cost around 1,800. 1,800, pero as I can see here, I think this is quite special in comparison to the Gundam na binibenta dito sa mga malls in the Philippines. Ito kasi naka-built-in you don't have to assemble it, and of course meron din mga accessories tong products na to, itong product na to. Okay, here's the side panel right, side panel left. Okay, at the back, yan, makikita natin yung mga ano nya. Actually everything is Japanese here, save for this one. Actually, this was manufactured by Banpresto, and it's made in China. Hindi siya Japan made, unlike yung mga usual Gundams na alam natin. Okay, so let's unbox this thing here, not to kill the excitement. Okay, now we're actually unboxing this material, and this is actually the contents of the package. Dito pa lang sa likod, nandito na yung dalawang saber natin. Okay, medyo may kawirduhan lang para sa akin kasi yung, as far as I know, yung mga Gundam na I'm familiar with, straight swords yung mga yun hindi siya pa-curve katulad nito. Well, I guess it just has got something to do with concept of katana, Japanese sword. Right, and of course here's the actual package. Here we will see the two hands, replaceable two hands here. We've got actually two sets of hands. Yung isa yung open fists, yung isa yung closed. Bazooka, yung shotgun niya, and yung kanyang shield. Okay, now let's remove the front plastic. And there we go. Actually, sabi sa package niya, this is a die casting creative series, pero I don't see that this is a die cast material. It's actually plastic. And here's the gist. Although second hand siya, mahal pa rin. Yun yung catch dun. I think that's practically Japanese products kasi mahal siya kahit sabihin natin second hand. Meron lang mga minor blemish dito sa part na to. Ewan ko kung factory defect yan or siguro dahil sa sira, dahil sa second hand lang siya. I've also noticed na parang naglagay ng pasikip dito sa part na to, sa right leg niya. Kasi napansin ko rin, pag tinanggal mo yung pasikip, which is yung parang kapirasong papel, natatanggal, maluwag yung right leg niya, as well as yung right knee. Pero yung sa left knee niya, okay naman din. Pero alam mo, kung hindi mo naman siya ihaharabas masyado, like for posing lang naman, pwede na rin. And in addition to that, actually pwede siyang laruin ng mga batang siguro mga 5 years old and above, kasi hindi siya katulad ng mga yung mga the usual Gundam figures na alam natin na de-assemble, na napaka-fragile, which this one is hindi, pero same posable quality. Okay, you can see the makikita nyo naman and there, 360 degrees. Cool, right? Hindi ko na i-feature yung mga hands na pwede mong i-replace sa kanya. Actually, I don't know, talagang made in China to. No offense naman sa kanila, kasi look at these hands na included in the package. Parehong right hands, yung closed fists niya. But sorry, as I was saying, parang right fists yung hands niya. And of course, here's the bazooka. Okay. Yung rifle. And of course, the shield. Okay. Meron lang twist dito kasi itong shield, ganyan yung nasa packaging niya, pero kailangan mo siyang baliktarin kasi actually ito yung handle eh. Okay. Tapos ito yung pinaka kabitan niya. And nga pala, I would want to notice this to you kasi meron parang slot dito wherein of course most of the Gundams kasi meron talagang base stand wherein pwede mo ikabit dito yung parang stand niya or something. Pero yeah, kung meron kayong base stand, you can also connect this material or this product in your stand. And yeah, very posable product. Okay, so you can use the gun here. There we go. As well as the shield, which is kailangan mo muna ipasok. Let him grip the yeah. Oops. Okay, you have to let the hands grip, or the hand grip the shield. Ayan. Tapos kabit mo dito. Ayan. Kabit mo dyan. There we go. Okay, that's cool, right? That's cool. Ayan. So, this is the usual form ng ano niya, ang rifleman posing niya. And of course, yung bazooka niya, in which, yan o, pwede mo ikabit yan dito. Talagang OA yung kanyang dating. May rifle na siya, may bazooka pa siya, meron pa siyang shield. Okay, this is way cool. And of course, this is my favorite part, yung kanyang mga sabers. Okay, this one here, actually pwede mong tanggalin. And okay, practically kakabit mo lang siya dito. Okay, and there we go. Samurai mode. Okay, samurai mode. Actually, I recall nga yung ano, yung 30th anniversary ng netong Gundam RX-78-2. This is the actual robot na itinayo dun sa Japan, sa Tokyo, in which naka-samurai mode siya. Nandito yung dalawang sabers niya. And of course, this is a fun part wherein if you want to have him parang igagrab niya yung kanyang saber, you can use this. You can use this pose. Yan. And of course, yan, but mo siyang ganyan, then let him grab his weapon. Okay, this is very exciting. This is very exciting, really. And you can do the Chinese swordsman posing, like with the you know, the crouching tiger, hidden dragon mode. Okay, it's quite good actually. Although for posing purposes tong Gundam, syempre as we know, hindi naman talaga siya nagta-transform. But just to give you an idea gaano siya katangkad, I think this is 4 inches. Sinukat ko siya actually. Sinukat ko siya. And actually we have a special visitor here, which is Perceptor, Autobot Perceptor. And just to give you an idea gaano siya katangkad, gaano katangkad or kaliit si Gundam. Yan, ganyan lang siya. Medyo maliit ng scale niya in comparison to Transformers Universe or Transformers Deluxe class. Yan. Just straight natin. Okay, so practically pag nilalaro ko to, hindi ko nga lang tinatanggal hindi ko lang masyadong hinahataw yung right leg niya kasi syempre alam naman natin maluwag na siya, so ingat lang. All in all, I would rate this 10. Very good siya kasi ngayon lang ako nakakita ng Gundam na na built-in na siya. Although, yeah, nakakita ko sa Pilipinas sa mga mall dito. Kaya lang, to have this, yung kauna-unang, o yung Grandpa Grandam on this mode, I say, this is very special. This is very special, and then I like this. I like this Gundam, really. Though I'm not really a huge fan, pero I'm very attracted to this Gundam. Well, that's it for now. Thank you so much for tuning in. You have a nice evening.